Let me be real with you. Most men who think they have weak erections don't actually have an erection problem. They have a blood flow problem, caused by tiny daily habits that slowly choke their performance. And the craziest part? You probably don't even realize you're doing them. Stay with me till the end, because I'm going to reveal the number one habit that kills blood flow the fastest, and how to reverse it naturally. And yeah, I'll show you what guys are using to fix this without pills from the pharmacy. Here's what most men don't know: your body wants to give you strong erections. Blood vessels, nerves, hormones, they're designed for that. So when things start going downhill, there's always a reason behind it. And it's almost never age. The problem is restricted blood flow. And that comes from daily choices: your posture, stress levels, breathing habits, sleep, diet, and how you handle arousal. Men sit more now than any generation in history. Office chair, gaming chair, car seat, couch. That constant pressure on your pelvis literally slows circulation to your lower body. The arteries that carry blood to your penis get compressed over time. Even standing up every 30 to 45 minutes can make a difference. Nighttime is when your testosterone resets and blood vessels repair themselves. If you're sleeping 4 to 5 hours, scrolling at 1 a.m., or stressing till you crash, your body skips the repairs. Low-quality sleep equals low-quality blood flow. Stress is one of the biggest erection killers. When cortisol goes up, blood flow goes down. Your body literally redirects circulation away from your reproductive system. You can't eliminate stress, but you can fix how your body responds. Deep belly breathing, walks, sunlight, laughing, they sound simple, but they flip your nervous system back into performance mode. Greasy foods, sugar, alcohol, and processed junk create inflammation and narrow your arteries. Your penis has the smallest blood vessels in your body, so they're the first to take the hit. Adding foods like spinach, beetroot, watermelon, garlic, and nuts can naturally boost circulation. If the muscles around your groin and core are tight or weak, blood can't pump properly downstairs. Combine that with sitting all day, and it's a disaster. Light stretching, walking, or even 5 minutes of movement can reactivate blood flow. Here's the one most guys don't want to hear: porn and death grip style masturbation train your penis to need more stimulation and less sensitivity. That forces your body to pump harder for the same result, which kills blood flow over time. When you switch to slower, lighter stimulation or real intimacy, your sensitivity improves, and erections get stronger again. Now, if you want to boost blood flow faster, especially while fixing your habits, there's something that helps a lot of men: Eron Plus. It uses natural circulation boosters like ginseng, fenugreek, and L-arginine, which support stronger erections by improving blood flow and hormone balance. Most guys start noticing results in just a few weeks when they combine it with better habits. I'll drop the link in the description to get Eron Plus. Your erections aren't weak, your blood flow just needs better conditions. Fix one habit at a time, stay consistent, and give your body what it needs. And if you're serious about faster results, don't sleep on Eron Plus. Links below. More videos like this are coming, so hit subscribe if you're trying to get back to full performance.